Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Alright guys, so today is, I think it's August 25th, right? Today is Tuesday, August 25th. It's currently like 12:15. The only class I had today was my freshman seminar, which is like they put all the freshmen in a Zoom and they show us a PowerPoint and people talk. And it's kind of a repeat of everything that's in our emails, but you know, no one reads their emails apparently. Like, I have my emails, like, notifications on. Like, I check that more than I check Snap. But that's beyond me. So, because I don't have any other classes today, Tuesdays and Thursdays are usually my light class days. So I either have one class. So the one class that I usually have on Tuesdays and Thursdays, my exercise class and weight control class, isn't meeting today. So, but we do have a lecture to watch. We're just not going on Zoom and having him read PowerPoints to us. Thank God. Yeah. I mean, I like the class. It's just, I haven't really gotten into a rhythm yet. I'm in the second week of school. So I ordered a sandwich for lunch. I gotta go pick that up soon. But I think I'm going to be more productive today and actually create a list of things that I want to do. So I really want to start my chem stuff, but I can't print it out because it's not going to be in color, and my ink isn't coming until tomorrow. Like, I love how Amazon Prime is like, yeah, it's totally Prime, I'll be here Monday, but it won't be here until tomorrow, and I have chem class tomorrow, so that's not really going to help me much, and I don't really want to write it all down on lined paper and then transfer it into the worksheets. It's just doing too much for me. Yeah, and I have stuff to do in every class. It's just, do I feel like doing it or not? But so far, all I have to do today is I'm gonna have to do my chem on regular sheet of paper. So I'm gonna watch my 2 chem videos. Right, I'm gonna watch my 2 chem videos. I'm going to finish my study strategies project. And I'm going to do my English response thing. So for the seminars, we have to write a response, like a reflection. I usually take notes during it. So then all I have to do is, these are my thoughts. This is what I thought is interesting, and conclusion. So that's already done. I wrote it on paper. I gotta type it up. I love Google Docs now. Like, I remember, like, last year I was like, OneNote is everything. Microsoft Suite is everything. Now it's Google Docs. Like, I transfer every little thing to Google Docs because, like, I realized that you have unlimited storage as a student. That is everything, okay? Having unlimited storage as a student in Google Docs, that is the best. So I think I'm gonna start my day now. I'm probably gonna shower. I'm going to the chiropractor later. Yo, the fact is, during this pandemic, the most I have looking forward to today is going to the chiropractor because I don't have work. Is weird. Okay. Hello everyone and welcome to my bathroom. You've been in here multiple times. So all the way since 8th grade, you've seen the same bathroom. It's alright. Alright, so I'm about to wash my face and do my hygiene stuff. So I feel like people don't show you how they clean their piercings. So I just have this one nose piercing. I've had it for like 3 years now. So I basically go back in my room and get it. But I use antibacterial soap, which is the gold dial soap. I'm trying not to move the camera so much. So I use this. And I only use it for my nose because I know if I put it in the shower, I'm gonna use it on my body, and because it's really it cleans your body really well. Ooh. Maybe we're just not gonna be able to see ourselves while we do that. So what I do is I stick the Q-tip in the little hole. Like I stick it in there, and then I use it when I get in the shower. Like that's the last thing I do when I get in the shower is I take it and I go around the outside and then in the inside. Then I rinse it out with the H2 Ocean. It's sterile sea salt spray with lysozymes in it. So yeah, and we're about to just wash our face. I don't know where my tripod is, so that's pretty sad. So we're just gonna balance this here. Great. So to wash my face, I use SA Renewing Cleanser by CeraVe. You know, it's whatever. And people are like, Zoe, why'd you go to class without doing all this stuff? Because life is hard, okay? Life is hard out here in the boulevard, okay? And I don't really get up. I get up and I put clothes on for Zoom. They can't see me anyways because they turned off our cameras and muted all of us. So no one's looking at us because some people wanted to act out last time and just be doing too much, okay? And yes, I brushed my teeth this morning, but I used my other toothbrush. But today I'm starting with these things. I keep my toothbrush and stuff in my room is because I'm gonna go to college and I don't want to leave my stuff in the bathroom when I go, so start them habits now, sis. Alright, y'all. So, just got out of the shower. Clean my nose ring. Spray the H2 Ocean in there. Put on some Curology moisturizer. I'm finna lotion. And then I'm gonna go pick up my sandwich because it's been God. I think it's been about like 20 minutes now. She said 25 minutes. Honestly, if I would have went into the store, it probably would have been like 10 minutes. But, so sorry about that, y'all. But I use regular Jergens to lotion. And I'm finna just wear a pair of leggings, a field hockey t-shirt to go pick this stuff up because I'm gonna be sitting in my room for the rest of my day just doing homework until I go to the chiropractor. This is my life now as a student. Like, all I do is homework. I mean, I probably should work out today. You know what? I'll do wall ball. I'm gonna do wall ball today because I'm supposed to run in the morning. No, I'm supposed to like do a workout, like ab workout and shit in the morning, but I need to get into a better schedule. I feel like I probably won't be able to get on a workout at 6:30 in the morning schedule until I actually go back to school, because if I'm working until 3 o'clock in the morning, like, I'm not doing it. I'm not getting up at 6:30. I'm sorry. But yeah, night routine coming soon. Okay, I started to film last night, but then like a whole situation happened, but I'm gonna use that footage because that footage was really good. I had a really good dinner last night at 3 o'clock. So yeah. Alright guys, I'm back. It's 1 o'clock now, and I went and picked up my sandwich. I think I'm gonna take like a lunch break, even though like that whole shower and everything was kind of like a break for me. I got me a sandwich, has my name on it, some chips. Ooh, that feels open. Guess not. And some juice. You know the usual. So yeah, I'm gonna take some time, watch some Netflix, eat some lunch, and then I'll get very productive, hopefully. I'll update you on what time it is so y'all know if I was procrastinating or not. Alright, y'all. So I just responded to some emails. It's currently 1:53, so it's almost 2 o'clock and I did nothing, but it's fine. I'm gonna take a nap now because I'm tired. And I'm gonna call my doctor because I totally forgot what time I had to be there. I think it's 4:30. And I'm pretty sure this is really loud because I realized that the fan makes a lot of noise, but I can't hear it anymore because like operative conditioning or whatever. So I'll talk to you guys later. Okay y'all, so it's 7:18. It's a bit later, a bit. I went to the chiropractor, he adjusted my back and my neck and I feel great. Now it's time to go to work and start doing homework. I have to do chem, and I need to do bio. And I should do English, but I really don't feel like it, so I won't. So that's all I have to get done today. So a little montage coming for you. Unfortunately, there is no montage and no outro for this video, which is a fail, but I'm trying. Hope you guys enjoyed. See you guys next week.